Hey, Magic Matt from Blinky.com here. It's time to have some fun. We're stuck at home, but that doesn't mean we have to have a terrible time. We can have some fun. And I know that I like to make sure my kids are entertained, and my daughter loves this toy. My daughter loves this unicorn wand. She likes to actually like ride it, like giddy up, giddy up, giddy up on the unicorn toy, because it actually makes the cool little, it's got the spinning lights and it makes the cool, see, she loves this. You got the whole William Tell Overture and everything. And then my daughter, you can imagine her doing this. I mean, it looks funny with me doing it, but hey, I'm doing it for you guys to show you we can have fun at home. We're not, even if we're stuck at home, we can still have a good time and ride around on our little unicorn. Yeah, that's right. Now that's a pretty good trick, but I've got another trick for you. I'm going to show you another trick. This is a cool trick with a light up yo-yo. Now, this is a really nice yo-yo too. This is a beautiful light up yo-yo. It's called an Aurora. And it's by Magic Yo-Yo. Really nice yo-yo. It's got the cool lavender colored lights. Pinkish lavender lights, if you can see that on the camera there. Very pretty yo-yo. And I'm doing a couple just sleepers tricks right now, but I'm gonna show you a trick. It's called Gyroscopic flop. That's right, Magic Matt performs Gyroscopic flop. Now this trick is a very special trick because we've all seen the yo-yo go like this when it spins around its axle. We throw it down, there you see it spinning around one axle, but imagine having the yo-yo spin in two different directions at once. That's what I'm going to attempt. I'm going to attempt to make the yo-yo spin not only around its axle, but around the axis of the string as well. So let's see if Magic Matt can pull it off and get the yo-yo back in his hand. Got the yo-yo back in the hand. All wound up, ready to go. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw the yo-yo down. I'm gonna whip the string down and catch the yo-yo in a special way. And then I'm gonna bring the yo-yo up, and then I'm gonna pull it taut in a certain way that the gyroscopic action makes the yo-yo actually turn in the x-axis, let's call it. It's already spinning in the y-axis. Now I'm going to make it also spin in the x-axis. So it's going to be spinning in two directions at once, like a gyroscope. It's a gyroscopic effect, hence the name, Gyroscopic flop. And if you're ready, I shall begin. There's my fast sleeper. Now I'm going to grab the yo, pinch it, throw, whip the string down and catch it. And as I pull it up, I'm going to pull it taut, and look at that, I'm coaxing it, it's going around like a gyroscope, around and around and around. Let's see if I can make it go a full turn. Yes, we've got a full turn, and then it comes out, and I got to get it back to my hand, and there we go, hooray, applause, thank you. Check out Magic Matt, Blinky.com, BlinkEE.com, all the cool toys.